Green gram, scientifically known as Vigna radiata but commonly referred to as mung bean or moong bean, is a widely cultivated pulse crop valued for its nutritional content and versatility. It belongs to the legume family Fabaceae and is native to the Indian subcontinent. Green gram farming involves various aspects from cultivation to harvesting and utilization. Here is a comprehensive overview of green gram farming. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Climate and soil requirements. Green gram thrives in warm and tropical climates. It is a short-duration crop that can be grown during both rainy and winter seasons. The ideal temperature range for growth is around 25 to 35 degrees Celsius. Well-drained sandy loam or loamy soils are suitable for green gram cultivation. Land preparation. Prepare the land by plowing and harrowing to create a fine seedbed. The soil should be free from weeds, debris, and clods to ensure proper germination and growth. Seed selection and treatment. Select healthy, disease-free seeds from reliable sources. Treating seeds with a fungicide can help prevent seed-borne diseases and improve germination rates. Sowing. Sow the seeds directly into the prepared soil. The recommended sowing depth is around 3 to 5 centimeters. Row-to-row spacing of 30 to 45 centimeters is generally followed, with a seed spacing of 5 to 10 centimeters within the rows. Fertilization. Green gram plants respond well to organic matter and balanced fertilization. Apply well-rotted compost or farmyard manure before planting. Nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are essential nutrients for its growth. Fertilizer doses should be adjusted based on soil nutrient levels. Irrigation. Maintain adequate soil moisture throughout the growing period. Green gram is sensitive to waterlogging, so ensure proper drainage. A combination of surface and drip irrigation can be used to meet its water requirements. Weed control. Weed competition can significantly reduce green gram yield. Mechanical methods like hoeing and hand weeding are common practices. Pre-emergence herbicides can also be used to manage weeds effectively. Pest and disease management. Common pests include aphids, leafhoppers, and pod borers. Diseases like powdery mildew and yellow mosaic virus can also affect the crop. Integrated pest management strategies involving cultural, biological, and chemical methods should be employed. Harvesting. Green gram plants mature within 60 to 90 days after sowing, depending on the variety and growing conditions. Harvest when the pods are mature but still green. Pull the plants by hand or use a sickle, and then separate the pods from the plants. Allow the pods to dry in a well-ventilated area. Conclusion. Green gram farming can be a profitable venture, especially when proper crop management practices are followed. As with any agricultural endeavor, local conditions, practices, and technologies may influence the specific methods used in green gram cultivation. It's advisable to seek guidance from local agricultural extension services or experts to tailor the approach to your specific location and circumstances. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.